from parts unknown, it's Vance Capley talking comics, graphic design, and art. Sit back and enjoy tonight's episode. Hi everybody. Today is Frankenstein Friday, October the 25th, 2019, and I'm drawing, kind of an old school Frankenstein here. I hope you've all been enjoying the recent videos I've been making with the digital artwork. Today I just wanted to do just a regular drawing of Frankenstein. Next Thursday, this coming Thursday, will be Halloween, and hopefully I'll have something cool up for everyone to enjoy. But if not, so be it. But I'm hoping so. But anyway, I've been getting a lot of requests and questions and all this good stuff about the Captain Zero book. It is currently available, as you can see right here. This is the book right here. It's this one is on lulu.com for $7.99, and it's thick. It's not a thin book. It's 92 pages of comic book goodness, full color, full of beautiful colors. Don't want to show any spoilers or nothing. A lot of good artwork and stuff. If I have to say so myself, I worked really hard on this, and I learned a lot while I was drawing it. Things you can do, and just it's a lot of fun. But this is $7.99. There's a digital version for $3.99 at Drive-Thru Comics, and then there's the super deluxe Captain Zero Black, which is limited to only 100 copies. Each one is signed, numbered, and it gets a certificate. Let me show you that certificate. And that's the certificate for Captain Zero Black. And you'll see right here where it says this is like 1 of 100, or 24 of 100, or 36 of 100. And then I'll sign it and date it, and with the same pen that I'll sign the comic book cover. And the comic book cover it's the same book as this, except it's only 100 of them with a black cover with just the logo and this little bit here. All the rest of it's complete black, and it'll say Captain Zero Black on the cover. And they're going pretty quick, so if you want that, there's a link below in the description. Make sure you click on that and get that before they're all gone. Once they're gone, they're not coming back. Then you have to deal with secondary markets and overpriced goodies. So anyway, Frankenstein Friday, drawing Frankenstein here, and everyone has their favorite Frankenstein. Of course, most people say Karloff, and I'm not going to argue that. Recently, superstar artist Ricky Blaylock did a picture, and he put up, he left off Bela. He drew all the other Universal Frankensteins, and I mean, I agree. Bela is Dracula, but he was a fantastic Frankenstein. Excellent as Igor. Without his Igor, we wouldn't have had Frankenstein meets the Wolfman. I mean, it leads right around to it. I wish that they had left his dialogue in, but they cut all that out. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, look up Frankenstein meets the Wolfman and look up the information about it, and you'll see that his character talked just like he did at the end of, I believe it was Ghost of Frankenstein. If I'm wrong, I'm sure one of you will correct me in the comments below. Let's see, we'll go with a bold. Yeah, I'm just going to, just do a little shut-a-do. Just like this, right here. I'm going to use the Igor Frankenstein. Of course, it doesn't look like Bela Lugosi because I don't have my photo reference in front of me. And also, the way you can tell it's Igor's Frankenstein, he's very shifty, very evil. And that's one of the cool things about Igor's Frankenstein, was you couldn't trust him. He had this like super sinister, what do you call it, motives, and just wickedly evil, and that's why I like it so much. You know, he's a monster in every sense of the word. He's just purposely evil, and that works really well for me. You know, you can, feel sorry for Frankenstein. That's what Karloff's version's for. But, when you want a monster and people to be running for their lives, Bela Lugosi's version is what I'm going to go with. Like I said, I don't have my photo reference in front of me. I'm just, off the cuff doing this. For Frankenstein Friday. Yes. Getting ready for Halloween and all that good stuff. Garfield says candy, candy, candy. Has anyone watched their Halloween cartoons? Do you have a favorite one? Let me know down below. Favorite Halloween cartoon or favorite Halloween special. One I try to watch every year is, of course, Garfield and Charlie Brown and all that. The Bugs Bunny one, which is kind of harder, harder, whatever, to find. I also watched the Addams Family Halloween thing that was from 1978. That's really good. And I also like to watch what is that? Oh, the Paul Lynde Halloween special. I try to watch that every year. It's just fun. I enjoy it. Yeah, I'm crazy. Anyway, that looks like it's it for the day on this. I want to make sure that all of you are liking, sharing, and subscribing. And if you're not, please do. And if you could, please share this video with your friends, or any of my videos that you really like. Make sure you do that, because that really helps me out. I'm not making money on YouTube yet, but it really does help in the long run, to have something going on like that. It's kind of an advertisement for what I do. The YouTube, it's advertisement for what I do artwork wise. Make sure you look for Captain Zero. It's time for me to go. I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Goodbye. Oh, and this is how the finished product turned out. All right. See ya, Captain Zero. Bye.
Vance Capley is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on TeePublic. Old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original TeePublic designs. Make sure you visit Vance Capley Art 1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.